In less than 24 hours, Tesla's gonna be dropping their Q1 2024 earnings report, and I'm pumped. And I know it's not gonna be a good quarter. Everyone has, it's anticipated it's gonna be a very bad quarter. And we'll take a look at what Wall Street is looking for. The numbers aren't really that great, but one quarter of Tesla is not gonna matter. And if you guys, it would be awesome if y'all can join me on my live. I'll be going live for this. I think it's gonna be a straight 3-hour live, so it's gonna be flipping awesome, literally in like less than 24 hours from now, from this video. So it's gonna be a sheesh moment and an awesome and fun moment. But in today's video, let's lay out the expectations, what we are looking for. Q1 preview, what Wall Street's looking for, what Tesla should hit, and some of my thoughts of, what could happen. Because the main thing here, guys, is the earnings call, what Elon is gonna say. There's a lot of things that's been going down for the past 2 months that Elon needs to clear up. Otherwise, the stock could be going even lower. But anyways, let's get to the expectations right after you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure you guys hit that bell. Let's go. So if you guys are following me on X, and if you guys aren't, then I don't know what you guys are doing. I'm extremely active there, and I do 90% of my posts are about Tesla, analyzing Tesla, talking about Tesla. If you guys want to follow me there, I mean, not if you guys want to follow me, you guys definitely should follow me there. But I made this post saying that this is what mainly Wall Street is looking for on Tesla's Q1 2024 earnings report. Earnings per share 48 cents, and this has been revised so many times. I think at one point it was high as like 70 cents. Now it's down to 48 cents. And my estimate for here is 52 cents. And I made a video about this, breaking it all down. You guys can check out over here to get a full explanation on how I got that number. Revenue just below 21 billion. My estimate here is a little bit over 21 billion. But the auto gross margin, excluding credits, they're saying 15.9%. I'm saying 15.5%. So definitely they're adding extra operating expense here. For me, I tampered it down a little bit. But this is what Wall Street is looking for. These main 3 numbers are the most important things they're looking for, mainly the EPS. If we can beat 48 cents or just hit 48 cents, that would be good. If we go below 48 cents, well, obviously we're going to have a downward of stock. But what's more important is the earnings call. Maybe the earnings will be affecting 2, 3, 4% if they're just around the EPS. Even if it's a miss by a bit, the stock will be going down, but nothing compared to what Elon's got to say on their earnings call. But I finish off this post by saying it's going to bruh, did I just miss a word here? Wow, shame on me. It's going to be an intense earnings report, but one that won't matter in 5 years' time. And honestly, it won't matter in 5 years' time, because in 5 years' time, Tesla's not going to be a car company. It's going to be a software company, a SaaS company, an AI company, because the full self-driving and the robot taxis. But anyways, that's going to be that's a whole different topic. Let's go bit by bit with Q1. Guys, you know what I'm doing with Q1? Well, even now is I'm getting ready to buy more Tesla stock. Why? Well, it's because we're in April, meaning we are in earnings season, not just for Tesla, but for all companies. It's a heavy week coming up. It's a heavy month coming up, but we don't care about the other companies. We care about Tesla, and their earnings is coming out literally in a couple of days. I'm already getting ready to buy more Tesla stock, and to seize the opportunity, I'm going to be using today's sponsor, which is Momo or Momo. Either way, you guys already know that I already have 6 stock portfolios, and Momo is my 7th one. And it's for good reason. After using Momo for a solid 4 months, I get instant updates and earning releases much quicker than the other portfolios that I have. Other awesome perks include a handy earnings calendar, real-time updates from sources like Yahoo Finance, and so on and so forth, along with financial forecasts and analysis all consolidated on one page and on one app. There's a lot of stuff you get with Momo, and that's why I'm very happy sponsoring them. Momo allows you to trade options pre-market and post-market. This means you guys can analyze the financials first, and then analyze it first, and see if the drop is a good deal. Take advantage of it first. That is flipping awesome with Momo, with their pre and post-market options, which is flipping awesome. This app is available for users in the US and Canada. For Canadians like me, we get up to $2,400 in the welcome lucky draw when you meet the deposit threshold. However, though, for US users, you guys get some amazing perks, like crazy perks. Check it out. You get a remarkable 5.1% API cash sweep. Additionally, with a $100 deposit that new users can receive up to 7-day fractional shares, which is a sheesh for the moment. Either way you're Canadian or US, Momo has a lot of perks that for Canadian, with all the other brokers that I have, they don't have, and that's why I'm using Momo. If you guys are interested, you guys can click the link, learn more about it, and sign up. Now, let's get back to the video. I'm always buying more Tesla stock. I think I'll be reaching 1,000 shares sooner than I thought if the stock keeps going lower and lower, which obviously the lower it goes, the more I'm gonna buy, because I'm looking 5, 10, 15 years in the future with Tesla, at least till 2030 with Tesla. So definitely I'll be buying more because I don't need it next year or the year after that, 2030 at the minimum. Now, what's important here, guys, is what Elon is going to say on the earnings call. In the earnings call, he has to clarify the compact car, the robo-taxi, because the reason why the stock has been going down a lot recently is mainly because that there was rumors coming out that the compact car has been cancelled, which Elon and Franz did come out and say, guys, chill, it's not cancelled. Even Franz said that, don't believe everything you guys hear, stay tuned. Does that sound like they cancelled something? Like, does that sound like they cancelled the compact car? Like, comment down below. Does that sound like they cancelled the compact car? Because it's getting ridiculous at this point, to the point that even Wall Street analysts is removing completely the Model 2 or compact car, and they're saying that by 2027 their EPS is gonna be $2.40. I'm gonna revisit this. $2.40, like, you must be out of your mind. By 2027, Tesla's gonna be $2.40. It's dumbfounded, it's mind-boggling, it's just ridiculous, and I can't wait to come back and see this and just make fun of it in 2027. But that's mainly the reason why the stock is going down. Yes, the layoffs, but every company does layoffs, and in fact Tesla doing layoffs does ease on their operating expenses, their operating costs by like $300 to $500 million, and with that freed up cash they can invest it in the things that really do matter. And with a lower operating expense, you have a much higher profit margin, so you can bring down your prices like what Tesla did recently, and the stock still sold off. Additionally, when they also brought the FSD down from 12,000 to 8,000 for some reason, that's bearish as well, which is just ridiculous, because we need more take rate for FSD. FSD is pretty much free money for Tesla, like 60% margins for Tesla. We need more of this. We need more of this. And I could keep going on and on and on. It's just a never-ending story with Tesla, but the main reason was a compact car. And so on earnings call, Elon has to be very firm, and well, he can't confirm or deny it, but he has to somehow say that it's not cancelled. It's not cancelled, it's not postponed, it's on track. And I think he will say some good stuff, because we got to vote for him in a week time from now for his compensation package. So I think he has to say something good. And if he does say something that's digestible and Wall Street likes, I think we may be seeing a bottoming in the stock. If he reassures a compact car is coming, then analysts will bring back the compact car into his valuation, and the stock can probably go up to 160, 170, 180 as prior what it was. But we all know Elon Musk. If he comes out and just denies it, or just does the worst thing possible, I can easily see, hard to say it, hate to say it, or I love to say it because I'm buying more shares, Tesla stock can go below $100 per share. I know it's a very interesting quarter, and again, this quarter won't matter in 5 years time, but it's a very interesting quarter, and some are saying it's a make and break moment, but it's a short-term, near-term thing. That's what's happening tomorrow, and you guys should be joining me on my live session tomorrow. The link is right here. You guys can check it out right here. Make sure you guys click the notify button when we go live. I think it's 2:15 or something like that when we go live there. I'm so pumped. I'm so excited to go live. I mean, I don't go live that often, but when I do, it's fun as hell. Guys, support the channel by getting your I Bought the Dip t-shirt, because I'm buying this dip. I'm buying this dip. Subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video. Or I will see you guys tomorrow at live. See ya.